Closed nearly offset. With this tool, we can close shape object according to the parameters. Here, we have some line objects. Now, we will check that object is closed shape or not. Select the object. Here, you can see all objects are closed shaped. Open Application Properties. Here, you can see, in Closed Shape Offset parameter, we set 1 mm. Now, we will press Close Shape button with the Control key. Here, you can see that objects that are not in closed shape, below 1 mm, have been selected. Now, we will check measurement between the start and end points in these two objects by measuring. Here, you can see that gap between start and end point of the object is less than 2 mm. Open Application Properties. Here, we will add 2 mm. Then press Close Shape button with Control key. Here, you can see that objects that are not in closed shape, below 2 mm, have been selected. If we press Close Shape button with Control key, then object which is not close will be selected, and if we press button with Shift key, then object which is close shape will be selected.